Hey, my people, just want to share with you some really exciting sort of landmark moments for me from the studio here. I can't believe it, but yeah, as you know, I've been working on this 1,000-page linear squared study. I just got it all written, all 1,000 pages of it. It's crazy. These are some of the ones that are separated out. And then these are the very next ones I'm working on, and then these will be the ones after that. So exciting to be this far. It took me 2 months, day and night, to write these things because I'm like, I gotta get this thing over with. So no matter what, I can make this thing happen by my birthday, September 8th, 2025. That's my goal, to get all this put together. So glad that you guys are following my work, and I really appreciate it.